Hello everyone. In this lecture, I will be showing you one interesting command using which you can scan ports by specifying their name. Now, each and every single port have their specific name. So, you can tell Nmap to scan those ports by specifying their name. Let me show you the command. Open your terminal and type this command, that is nmap space minus sign small p space and the name of ports you want to scan. It can be a single or the multiple. So suppose I want to scan FTP, that stands for file transfer protocol, and I want to give the multiple ports. So I will separate the port names by adding a comma sign. Okay, so FTP, and I'm giving out here SMTP and space. Finally, the target IP 192.168.0.105, which is in my case. Hitting enter, we can see the results of Nmap, and it shows us the two ports it has scanned for us, which we have specified here. Now, we can also tell Nmap to scan for each and every ports whose name starts with SMTP or whatever the port you want to scan for. So how we can do that? Let me show you. So first I will be typing the command and then I will explain you. So as you can see here, the command I have typed, the command is similar to the previous one, but it got changed here. The command can be given as nmap space minus sign small p space and the port name we want to scan each and every port whose name start with the port name. So I have given, for example, SMTP here inside the quotes. Okay, so you have to type the port name. In my case, it is SMTP, and we have to add a star sign here. Okay, so what Nmap will do, it will scan each and every ports whose name will start with SMTP. Finally, giving a space here and the target IP. Now let us hit the enter and see what we get in the result. So as you can see here, Nmap has give out the results of the ports which are having names starting with the SMTP. Similarly, let me give out the another example. So again the command will goes like nmap space minus sign small p quotes. Okay, so we will be having quotes here, and inside that quotes I will be typing http and adding a star sign. So nmap will scan all the ports whose name are starting with the http. So space and the target IP and hitting enter, we can see the results. All the ports having the name starting with the http.